Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix or improve your boot up time on your Windows computer, specifically Windows 11 in today's tutorial. And this will apply for desktops, laptops, tablets running the Windows 11 operating system, such as Dell, Acer, Asus, Toshiba, Lenovo, Samsung, that kind of thing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to right click on the start button and you want to select where it says task manager. Select the startup tab and now you can disable most of the apps in this list. So by disabling them, you're not actually turning them off from running in your computer. It just won't start up every time your computer turns on. So for example, you don't necessarily need your printer turning on every time your computer turns on, but if you do actually turn your printer on manually or you go to print something, then the service should turn on. It just doesn't have to start every time your computer turns on. And that's a problem with a lot of startup applications in here because they'll just be continuously running in the background whether you're using them or not. And for example, if you're not using OneDrive or you don't even have OneDrive enabled, you're not actually like doing anything with it, such as maybe you're using Dropbox or another application, there's no reason to have it enabled every time your computer turns on. So just keep that in mind. It's one thing to take a look at there. Something else you can try here as well, if you close out of here and you open up the start menu search, type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select power options on the right. So go ahead and select that. Underneath show additional plans, click inside the drop down. Select high performance, favors performance but may use more energy. So keep that selected there, guys. That's one thing I would definitely take a look at. And then close out of here once that's done. Open up the start menu again. Type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager. So go ahead and open that up. Expand the display adapter section and then right click on whatever display adapter is listed under here and select update driver. Select where it says browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless you only have a generic driver, in which case you can select that. And then you would select next to install it. And then you can click on close out of here. Would recommend restarting your computer and then hopefully that should increase your speed a little bit when booting up your computer. Also, it never hurts to go through the apps and features and uninstall unnecessary programs that may be on your computer. So by opening up apps and features here, you can just go ahead and select apps and features. And you can uninstall programs you're no longer using, so that can definitely help speed up your computer a bit as well. And if you have different apps, you can just remove them in here so you might not be getting as many notifications. So definitely something to take a look at. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.